Imagine deploying an app update and having to manually restart each pod one by one. Sounds painful, right? That's exactly why Kubernetes deployments exist. A deployment is a Kubernetes resource that manages replica sets, which in turn manage pods. Think of it as a three-tier hierarchy. You define how many replicas you want, and the deployment creates a replica set that ensures that exact number of pods are always running. If a pod crashes, the replica set immediately spins up a replacement. Deployments work declaratively. You specify your desired state in a YAML file, like 3 replicas of Nginx version 1.21. Kubernetes continuously reconciles the current state with your desired state. If reality doesn't match your spec, the control plane takes action to fix it. You declare what you want, not how to get there. When you update a deployment, Kubernetes performs a rolling update by default. It gradually replaces old pods with new ones, ensuring your app stays available throughout. Old pods keep serving traffic while new pods spin up and pass health checks. Only then does Kubernetes terminate the old ones. Zero-Downtime, built in. Deployments also give you instant rollback. If your new version breaks, one command reverts to the previous working version. Plus, you can scale up or down manually with a single command, or even automate it with a horizontal pod autoscaler based on CPU or custom metrics. In short, deployments manage your pods declaratively, handle updates without downtime, and make rollbacks trivial. Master this, and you're ready to run production workloads on Kubernetes. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.